Alright guys, today we're working on a Razor scooter, electric scooter. It's called the EcoSmart. There's right there, EcoSmart Metro. Alright, it's pretty old, put a lot of good use into it, but like everything else, wear and tear, the batteries finally can't hold the charge of the new replacement. I ordered new batteries from Amazon. As you can see, the package arrived like banged up, so I'm hoping the batteries were in good shape. So to remove the cap, pretty simple. It has 4 bolts. They are this size. The back ones don't need a nut, self-tap. But the ones in the front are gonna have a bolt, which is a 10mm socket. You need this little tool right here. I don't know what size it is, but you'll figure it out. Okay, so manufactured batteries are bond together. The ones that you buy separate come separate. This is the brand I bought. Amazon. You just type in Razor EcoSmart and it takes you to this place right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put them to the test. Hopefully it works. The kit comes with its own wiring harness, so I'm gonna use the old setup to follow the new setup, and then after that we'll see if it works. Comes with the fuse, 30 amp, I believe. Yeah, it's 30. Alright, let's get to it. As you can tell, the ones with the fuse, one end goes here to the red positive and the other one goes to the black negative. The batteries itself will tell you negative, positive, just follow instructions. Alright, so we're just gonna press and hope that it sticks. Here we go. Alright, and the other end, like I said, goes to the negative part of the third battery. Be gentle, you don't want to break them. Brand new. Gentle. They cost about $134 for the 3 batteries, so you want to be extremely gentle with it. Okay, so that's done. Let's move on to the next. The next is the other red wire that goes from the negative of the second battery. So we got 1, 2, and 3. So the next red one, it's gonna go from the negative to the positive. Let's see. I don't think I have another red one. So it only gave me 2 red ones. Alright, let's move on. Let's jump to these 2 right here. The ones with the adapter. Just this one with the adapter. So the red goes on the red, and the black goes to the black. So positive is red, negative is black. We're gonna follow the same pattern. We'll do the red. Easy, easy. There we go. And the black goes to the negative. Black, red, black. Easy, easy. Here we go. Here we go. We have one more wire left, so I'm assuming this will represent this second wire. But it gave us a black one. Really don't matter because it's gonna carry the same current. And it goes from the negative of the second battery into the positive of the third battery. Easy. Oh, this one's kind of harder. There we go. There's no click, so you kind of just have to feel it as you push. Don't overdo it, because if you break these, you're pretty much in trouble. Okay, so now you gotta find the female end of the one that goes into the charging. This is the charger. So the batteries, let's plug them in. And this one, you should be able to hear a click. There you go, click. It's pretty easy. But you gotta make sure that you follow the same pattern that the old batteries have. You go from battery 1 to battery 3, battery 2 to battery 3, and then 2 and 3, 1 and 2 together with the harness. Let's cover the fuse. And let's hope the batteries have a little bit of charge. There we go. If the batteries have a little bit of charge, we should be able to see a little light go on. Let's give it a try. Oh, it says it's fully charged. But still, I'm gonna plug them in and charge them for at least 2 hours. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe. Again, this is a electric scooter, EcoSmart. The brand is Razor.